it's sad how few people actually connect with the earth. And how many people make up excuses? Oh, it's cold. It's, hard to walk here. And, the Machiganga tribe in the Amazon, they don't have any shoes. Some of the tribes in Africa, they did have shoes. Some didn't have shoes, or they had sandals. I'll never forget on a hunt with the Hadza, they were booking it. These guys move so fast.
Is it nice to see them move too? Like, do you want to is it like watching gazelles and shit? Or are you like, wow, these are movers, beautiful movers?
I've never seen humans move like this.
Yeah, awesome.
And yeah, like I've said this before, I'll say it again. They're beyond one mind. The way that they move before you can think about it, they're moving in tandem. There's this electricity and intensity. And once again, they have to be successful on the hunt, because if they're not successful, they don't eat. And if they don't eat, they die. This one tribesman in front of me has his sandals on. And like I said, he's fucking booking it. His sandal broke. And I was so happy. I was so happy that it's time to slow the fuck down. It was a little bit. I'm like, okay, when's he gonna fucking pick it up? And so I'm like, I'm counting. I give him to 10. I'm like 1, 2, 3. I get to 10. He finally picks it up without breaking stride and doesn't slow down. Not only does he not slow down, I'm behind him. He doesn't know I'm watching him or what's going through my head. He kicks a fucking rock with his bare foot. And I really think maybe these guys know when you have the selective pressures that they have, I think they can communicate. I don't want to sound like a total freak, but almost
no.
And it's almost like he knew what I was thinking. And it was almost like, look at what the fuck. Not only am I not going to slow down, I'm going to show you this thing. You've never seen feet like this, by the way. These guys are the wild Bushmen, and it's incredible the way that they move, the selective pressures that they've overcome and adapted to, what we're capable of, what they're capable of. It's such an incredible, valuable experience to know, like, man, we are capable of so much more than what you think.